In this video we're going to test the Brizy Pro and how well it can perform with the WooCommerce plugin. Hi, my name is Stratos and I'm constantly producing video tutorials about WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's start by copying the URL and let's start getting some numbers. And let's see quickly the layout. As you can see, we have here the logo. Here we have the menu with the cart icon. This is the new element from the Brizy Pro version 2.1.0. Then we have the hero section with the H1 and 2 buttons. Then we have the H2 with 3 columns. Here we have the headings with some buttons. I don't really care about the styling. And here we have the H2 with 12 products. And last, we have the footer with the logo, menu, and the social icons. Here we have 4.2, 4.2. Let's see, next we have 119 megabytes with 51 requests. Okay, and then we have 47 with 72. Okay, let's grab the next number, which is 4 seconds. Let's retest. 4 seconds. And now let's go to this shop page. Now, of course, as I have said, with the new elements, we can create the archive and the single page for the products. But Brizy is not yet ready to create any website with the WooCommerce. 4 seconds, let's retest. Now, I have already created another video that is very thorough and it will say everything that I have found for bugs and things I would like to change. It is almost 40 seconds long, and it will also be a walkthrough for you guys in order to create something like that, so you can create the templates for the single and the archive product pages. 4.3. Okay, let's go to see the themes. Let's refresh that and we will see that we have only the hello theme. And let's go inside the plugins. Let's go here and we'll see that we have the Brizy Pro, we have the really simple SSL, and we have the WooCommerce in the version 4.6.2, which is the version that we already had in the other test that we do. I'm not going to install the new version. Let's see, 3.1 is the last number from here. 3.1. So let's go and grab the next URL. Paste it here. And paste it here also. So here in the archive page, I'm going to see that the green is working fine. So it will filter out my products and it will show me only 3. And if I click here, I will get all my products here. Let's go, and here I have to go for 5. Okay, and let's see the numbers here. So we have 10.3, 10.3. Of course, this is not the Brizy fault, it's my web hosting company, 617 and 50 requests. This is a testing website, so I have it in a crappy web hosting company. It's not too good. I wasn't enthusiastic about that. So let's see the next numbers, which is 41 and 67. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is 3.8. 3.8. Sorry about that, not the page that I want. Okay. And let's go to the plugins, and we're going to see that I now have the Content Aware Sidebar plugin installed. Now this is a plugin that I installed because the Hello theme doesn't have a sidebar feature, so I had to install something to get the widgets inside the appearance right here. So I installed this plugin, and because Brizy cannot handle widgets, so you cannot go here, you cannot add a widget here to have the filters. You have to go and install something else or do something else to have those appear. 4 seconds. I could either go with this plugin, or there is another plugin that will assign a shortcode to every widget that I want, and I can go then to the product archive page and then go and add the shortcodes here. The benefit of this way would be that I will have the text element, and then I will add the filter by color inside the text element, and will be able to style it how I want. I could change the color and I could change the size and everything else. But since both plugins only added 2 more requests in my page, I went with the sidebar. It was the same for me. 5.9, let's retest. 5.9, and we're going to get the last number. So here I had some problems. I was forced to use here the archive element. It says post, but it's basically the archive element. I cannot have something like in the cadence was I have. Here I have the results, I have the default sorting and how I want to sort all those products, and here I have the grid and the layout view, the list view, sorry. But here I don't have any of this. I cannot add those. If I add the product element, it will not get me all those features, and also the product element will really have must have the category assigned, or else it will not display anything. And here I don't want a specific category, I want all the products to be assigned, to be displayed here. 5 seconds. Okay, and let's go to my last one. Let's go to the hoodie. This is the one that I'm testing. Grab here the URL. Let's go here. Okay, paste the URL here and paste the URL here and analyze. Okay, let's go back to the archive page. So basically the problems that I had here are more than enough. So if I delete the price tag, I could not bring it back. If I delete here the category, I had to add that as a text element, and clearly this is not a text element, it's something else, but I don't have that in here. And if I go to the single product, there are more bugs here. Let's go and see the numbers. So we have 0.3, and then we have 807 and 58. And here we have 36 and 65. Okay, here we have 5.3. Okay, and let's go to the single page. So here I could not select which product I was going to edit. I had to go inside the products in my WooCommerce and all products, and then go and set the hoodie to be on top, basically by switching the date and time. 3.7. Let's retest. 2 more tests. I cannot set the width to be full in the front layout. As you can see, the image here is not stretched until the end of the column. Here in the meta information, even though they have inline here, you cannot set it inline. Actually, you have column, you have table, and you have inline, but you cannot see inline here. And also in the front end, you will not get inline. Here you will see that the colors is displayed not in the middle, but it has some space here, but in the front end you will see that it's pretty close to the gray color here. You cannot add some padding inside the row. 3.6, let's retest. 3.6. So basically Brizy is not yet ready to install it and create something for the WooCommerce. It's okay to install it to create a website, basically a website, but you cannot create something with WooCommerce by styling those two templates, the single and the product archive page, with the WooCommerce. Of course, it's pretty soon right now, 6.3. There are only some days that this work came up, 6.3, and hopefully they will improve in the future. Now, of course, in Brizy we cannot edit the cart and the My Account and the checkout page, so you have to have a theme in order to edit those pages. You cannot have them styled from the Brizy. So let's go and see the results. If you see the results, Brizy is pretty quick. You will see that the request here is 71 against 64 with the Elementor Pro and 68 with the Elementor and Crocoblock. Here we have request 50 against 62 and 75, and here we have 58 against 71 and 75. So they have pretty good request numbers, but it's not ready yet. And that's all that I wanted to say. If you want, you can see the other video that I have from Brizy, and you can play along and create all the templates that you will be able to, but you will not be able to install everything and make it look like a Cadence theme or something like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.